This is the whole set of plastic recycling plant. Waste plastic will be lifted and crushed into pieces first. Then we use plastic washing tank to wash these plastic pieces. After washing, the plastic pieces will be dried and lifted into the plastic granulator machine. Through electric heating, the plastic granulator can melt plastic and extrude the plastic pulp. And the plastic pulp will be cooled and turned hot through this cooling tank. Then the cutter machine can cut the plastic rod into pellets.